Hello and welcome to this brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new Innovv K7 motorcycle dash cam. But first let's have a look at the packaging. Here's the box. And when you look, we have some details. 2 cameras capturing the surroundings in front of and behind you. Enjoy your ride and share the fun with friends and family. The packaging looks very nice. Some more brief descriptions, details here. Go around. The box feels very premium, very good, very nice. Alright, we have some specifications here. We have 2x 2K dual cameras. It has built-in electronic image stabilization technology, advanced 10 Hz GPS system, 2G and 5G Wi-Fi supported, loop recording and auto emergency lock, IP67 waterproof. Now, as you can see, the content looks like this. Very nice. 2 cameras, GPS unit, a remote for your handlebars, and that's the main brain recording device, the thing that does all the business. Let's open this up and have a look. All right, you ready? Here we go. The box opens like this. Now we have a little landscape, riders heading to the mountains. Very nice. Have a little note here. I'll let you read that. Here you go. Yes. Let me take that off. Voila. Here's your camera. Put that under there. Wow. There we have 2 cameras and the rest of the unit. Let's slowly sleek this out. Now we do this. All the items will drop. Here we are. Put that aside. Okay. Here we go. Let's start with the cameras. Let's open this up. Where all the cables are. Alright, this is camera 1. And wow, that feels like metal, aluminium. Yes, it's aluminium. Innovv logo on there. Very nice. I'm going to take this out. There's another camera. Camera number 2. Innovv, yes. Protective film on there. You just take that off after you install. There's your cabling. Or your connectors. Yep. These are all color coded, by the way. Put that aside. Let's move along. Yes, same as camera number 1. This is camera number 2. You can mount these front or rear. Alright. This is the remote that goes on the handlebar. Again, cable with connections. And all the little on off button. I think, yes, I'm sure, not think. While you're riding and the dash cam's recording, if you press this, you will get a photo snap of whatever you want at that moment. This will give you the Wi-Fi connection signal, GPS, and recording. When that's flashing, that means you're on recording. Put that aside. That looks nice. Now, move along. This is your GPS unit. Yes, this is the GPS unit. Like I said before, color coded cables for the GPS. That looks nice. Very sleek. Piano black. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, this goes down as well. Alright, we have a microphone. Oh wow, didn't expect that. But that's a well bonus. Nice. You can either put that in your helmet, on your jacket, somewhere on the bike to record your exhaust and engine sound. It's very nice indeed. Good idea. Put that aside. Here comes the master unit. Wow, that feels really nice. Ride the World by Innovv. Yes, let's just go around it. Some specs on voltage, amperage, K7 model. Basically all the things I took out the box. Color code, they will just plug in the code color. So here we go, like example, red goes into red. Tick, and you just go whoop, screw that on, done. The mic is connected to the unit. DVR is ready to record your voice. Take that off for now. Okay, and this feels very nice, very nice. Alright, now let's see what's on the side of this. That's where your SD card goes. SD card slot. Water protection. This nice seal. Yes, nice. Basically you mount this, or you place it anywhere on your motorbike and then connect all the rest of the bits on there. Okay, now this is done. So move that along, put that there. There's more to come, hang on, bear with me. Right, now we have a couple of more boxes. It says mounts on it. And also we have, not that, we have an instructions manual. Innovv K7 camera system with all the connections and voila, yep. We're gonna need this, yep, definitely. Yep, all the details, diagrams, showing you what goes where, ideas where you can, how you can run the cables and mount the camera. Some features here. I'll read that to you in a little bit. Let's go to the mount boxes now. Here we have, open the first box now. This, yep, this is for a power source, battery connection, live feed. You could do it yourself, or you might need a motorcycle electrician or some sort. Yeah, everything there. Some fuses in these boxes, I think. Yep, there you go, fuse in there. Yep, extra protection. Yeah, and another color code, which means that will power, blue to blue, will power up your DVR. Again, just screw that on and you're gone, ready to go. Put that down, put that there. Alright, nothing else in here. Open up box number 2. More goodies in here, lots more goodies. Let me just take them all out here. Here we go, that's empty now. Okay, you got some 3M stickers for obviously these, and maybe GPS unit you can use for the cameras maybe. Here you have some screws and bolts, and these are, I'll just drop them here. Yes, these are for the camera. I'll just stay there. Maybe you to see a bit better. Yep, just do this. See all the bits a little bit better. Basically these will go kind of on there somewhere. Yeah, well, kind of. I have to read the instructions. I think this goes in there somewhere, and this kind of sort of mounts there, and then you just mount it somewhere on your bike. We'll get back to that on our second video. This is just showing you what's in the box. Right, camera back. Yes, this is for camera 1. Yep, all your little screws, bolts. Yep, ready. Nice. I'll take that. We'll go for that. These. Okay, that's that. Let's slide that over there. Let me just do this. This might help. I'll do next packets. Let's just tip this here. Yep, very similar stuff here. Yep, I guess these could be for mounting the camera in a different way. Now, again, this is similar to this, and that goes there, and the camera again goes in there like so. This is what comes in the box basically, guys. So if you are interested, which I'm sure you will be, I recommend this product. Very nice, very cool, everything quality, metal, aluminium I should say, all the bits all ready to go.